Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Starlink mini kit. The fourth-generation portable antenna designed to bring high-speed satellite internet anywhere you go. This device is perfect for RV travelers, campers, remote workers, and anyone living off the grid who needs reliable connectivity. What makes this Starlink mini stand out is its free region unlock, meaning you can activate it in any country without paying extra fees or worrying about hidden charges. No matter where your adventures take you, this compact device ensures you stay connected. The Starlink mini kit comes with a portable antenna and a built-in Wi-Fi router, so multiple devices can connect seamlessly. It delivers high-speed internet with low latency, making it ideal for video calls, streaming, online gaming, or even running a remote business from the middle of nowhere. With a maximum range of 3,200 feet, this kit is designed to cover all your connectivity needs, whether you're parked in a remote campsite or cruising along the coast. One of the highlights of this fourth-generation kit is its compact and travel-ready design. Weighing just under 6 pounds and measuring roughly 7 by 4 by 9 inches, it fits easily into a backpack or travel bag. This makes it incredibly convenient for digital nomads, road trippers, and anyone who wants to keep the internet on the go without carrying bulky equipment. Its energy-efficient design consumes only about 25 to 40 watts, so it works perfectly with portable batteries, solar panels, or power stations, giving you complete independence from traditional power sources. Setting up the Starlink Mini is straightforward. With plug-and-play functionality, you can get online in minutes. The quick installation and durable build mean that even in challenging outdoor conditions, the antenna is ready to perform. Its compact size doesn't compromise its durability, making it resilient against the elements while still providing strong signal performance. The built-in Wi-Fi router allows for easy connection to smartphones, laptops, tablets, or any other device you need online. This device also shines as an emergency connectivity solution during power outages, natural disasters, or in rural zones without traditional coverage. The Starlink Mini ensures you can still stay in touch with work, family, and friends. It's more than just an internet device. It's a lifeline for those who need reliable connectivity wherever they go. The Starlink Mini Kit is manufactured by Generic and comes in a sleek white and gray color scheme. Its design balances portability with performance, proving that you don't need a full-size dish to enjoy high-speed internet. The package dimensions are compact at just over 16 by 13 by 3 inches, and the weight makes it easy to carry while traveling. This kit is ideal for anyone looking for a portable internet solution without compromising speed or reliability. In summary, the Starlink Mini Kit delivers a powerful combination of portability, high-speed connectivity, and ease of use. Whether you're traveling, camping, working remotely, or preparing for emergencies, this device ensures you stay connected anywhere in the world. If you want an internet solution that travels as well as you do, the Starlink Mini Kit is an option worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech.